Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's Crypto Market Update for November 26, 2018. Welcome, everyone. Bitcoin bounced back to the $4,000 level. The market cap is now at 130 billion, meaning 10 billion has come into the market. If you look at the last 24 hours volumes, the volumes was much higher, 40% higher, 60% higher actually, are doing around 19 billion. The BTC dominance has risen to 54.1%, and if we look at the top 10, everything is in the green. So yeah, everything has come up quite nicely. As I said, Bitcoin is up 8%, XRP is 10% up, Ethereum is 8% up, Bitcoin Cash is 6% up, and the list goes on basically. If we look at basically the top gainers for today, we can see Siren Labs 84% up, Monacoin 46% up, Polymath 31% up, Ravencoin 30%, Metaverse ETP 22% up, and the list goes on. The coins which have not done that well, they're actually not that many. MOAC is 3% down and Cash is 1.4% down. So yeah, let's continue basically to the charts. So I said here on Bitstamp, basically, let's look at the daily chart first of all. We can see basically it is still declining. But as you can see, right now it's trading at 39.74, 39.75. So there's a good healthy spread. More importantly, we can see basically that, yeah, the RSI for the first time basically started to rise again. And, you know, we came down from 3,600. Then in the middle of the day yesterday, we were around 37. And then boom, we were close to the 4,000 mark. Now let's see if we're going to cross it or going to stay below it. And the coming days we will know more about it. Let's continue with the news. So the news is about Ohio's first state in the US to accept Bitcoin as payment. They're calling it secure, transparent, and low cost. So the beginning of November 26th, that's basically today, Ohio State will start accepting Bitcoin payments for 23 kinds of business taxes, basically. The state will become the first US state where they will accept cryptocurrency. So they are powered by BitPay, and yeah, through that basically they'll be accepting a lot of crypto payments. So this is fantastic news. Basically, Ohio State is definitely also one of the biggest states basically in the US, and you know, it's a good crossroad that a lot of governments also start using it, but more importantly, it's here one of the states. All right, the next news comes from BitPay. The CEO or the COO, basically, Sunny Singh is back again in the news. So he basically says the next bull run will be because of Bakkt, Fidelity, Square, BlackRock is going to enter this market. Now, we have to see and watch if this is going to be the case. Today we saw a bounce back, but more importantly, you know, he's talking about surges to $15,000 to $20,000. We have to watch and see. I definitely believe by using physical Bitcoins, the market will definitely become more activated towards going from a bearish market maybe to a bullish market, but going to 15 to 20,000, we all have to see and watch. All right, the next news comes from Gibraltar. Gibraltar Stock Exchange wins a license for blockchain subsidiary. So the blockchain subsidiary of Gibraltar Stock Exchange now has official approved from the island's financial regulator. So the Gibraltar Financial Services Commission has granted a license under the jurisdiction for a framework for distributed ledger technology, meaning blockchain, claiming that it's going to be the first stock exchange to own a regulated blockchain exchange basically. So let's see how this is going to be there. Obviously, you know, Gibraltar is trying very hard to attract institutional grade companies to the island. Up to now, Malta has been actually the only island which has been attracting a lot of big names. Let's see how this is going to roll, and getting a license or giving a license would give definitely a lot of respect to the island to attract more flourishing blockchain companies. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. Go to our website, bitcoinmagazine.nl.